Hey everybody, welcome to VW Life. Tonight we're cruising out to In-N-Out Burger in Cedar Park, Texas for VW Night. We meet the first Wednesday of the month and everybody has a great old time. And I'm bringing you with me, so let's go.
VW Life. So today's theme is, what was your first Volkswagen, Charlie?
Mine was a 1970 VW Beetle, and it was yellow, and it had the hideous mural on the back of the deck lid.
A mural?
Yes, it was a mural of a naked lady.
Oh, nice! Woo! First air-cooled Volkswagen was a 66 13-window Deluxe.
Mine was a 63 ragtop Beetle.
And mine was a 1963 Volkswagen single cab.
Woo! Oh, not that. Out of here.
This is named Boomer. All right, Charlie has gone back into the archives, and here is said Beetle.
Who's that? Who's that skinny guy standing next to it?
That is Charlie Holmes back in the day.
Back when he was a man, when he was the man.
Now I'm double the man.
Now he's double the man.
What's up, VW Lifers? As you're seeing this video, we're asking everybody here today what their first Volkswagen was, and of course, I want to know what your first Volkswagen was. So comment down below, leave us a message saying what your first Volkswagen was. It can be water cool, it can be air cool, but it's gotta be a Volkswagen.
A 73 Super Beetle.
63 hardtop, nice. White, one owner.
My first one was a 1968 VW Beetle, and I moved to a 1950 split window VW Beetle.
Oh. Mine was a 1972 Super Beetle.
What was yours, Chris?
My first Beetle was a 57 Oval, but it was trashed.
'74 Super Beetle, actually.
What was your first Volkswagen?
1968 baby blue Beetle.
Ooh, nice.
Bought it with my money that I won on dialing for dollars.
Wait, what was your first Volkswagen?
Oh, a diesel Rabbit 79. Woo! Yellow.
Hey Tommy, what was your first Volkswagen?
71, I think. Was, yeah.
What color was it?
It was primered red with mango chromies on it. It was amazing.
1973 Super Beetle.
Alright, we got a question for you. What was your first Volkswagen?
A 1960 ragtop.
Wow, 36 horse.
Dune buggy.
What year?
Blue one. I don't remember the year.
Oh, that's a Dune buggy.
It came for free in my dad's barn when we bought the house, and a buddy of mine and I got it running, and that started this long hobby of mine.
VW 90, the first fuel injected, back in Mexico.
First 67 bus.
I don't know. I can't remember.
You can't remember?
You know, you just go through these things, and it was an old one. I was telling him it had a hole in the block. Somebody just put Bondo in there.
73 Super Beater. Yeah, it's a 67 Bug.
My first one was a 72 that I did with my dad. This is my true first one, which is a 73. It's all mine.
Hey, Daddy,
Hello, VW Life guys. Hey, what a great night, huh, boys?
Yeah, it cooled down.
I mean, yeah, it cooled off nicely. Had a nice turnout tonight, and what a bunch of great stories. Hearing people talk about their first Volkswagen.
Yep.
I think it's been a lot of fun. Met a lot of people. Here's some funny stories. Charlie showed us his yellow Beetle with the naked girl in the back. That's a classic right there. And apparently, he still has that deck lid.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, he just told me. That's what he just told me.
Wow.
So wow, we may have to get an exclusive on that.
Yes.
Because I saw it. It's straight out of the 70s.
Yeah, we're gonna go in depth on that one.
Yes, we will. Stay with us, everybody out there in Volkswagen Life Land. We love you guys. Keep the comments coming. We do this for you guys in the community. That's why we're here. It's all about y'all, and this is what we do. VW Life.
Yep. See you guys. Bye.